Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh. Welcome everyone to my 14th session. And in this session, we're going to talk about symbol map. So, guys, in my previous session, I have discussed about field map. So, I believe you have gone through my previous session where I have discussed about field map. In this session, I'm going to talk about symbol map. So, symbol map, field map, both of less here they talk about the same thing. If you go to show me, you can see both of them simultaneously to each other in the 24 default charts. Now, already we have spoken about field map. I believe you have gone through my video on field map. Now, if you have done that, then you are most welcome to watch my video on symbol map. Otherwise, I really request all of you make sure that you watch my video on field map and then come to see my video on symbol map. So let's start the class. So for the symbol map, we need one geographical data type. Okay. Uh, or if we don't have any dimension or measure also, then also fine. But minimum we need one geographical data type. So here the geographical data type what I'll use is the state. Okay, so I'll use the geographical data type as a state. Okay, and I'll use measure as a profit. So here I'll click on state as the geographical data type, and for the measure I'll click on profit. Okay, done everyone. So now just click on the symbol map. Now you again got like this. You can see the world map. So I was not interested to see the world map here. I was looking for specifically the symbol map for the different states of USA. Okay, so here again you can see an error that is under 49 unknown. Go to edit. Okay, and here you need to change the country from India. You need to change to United States. In India, you just need to go and search for United States. Very simple. So you're done with this. Press OK. Okay. So you can see all the states of USA, but this this not looking that much clear. Yeah, I can understand. Yeah, they're talking about the states of USA, but I want more clarity here. So when we talk about symbol map, they are mainly used for representing the geographical data sets of a country or a state. And here, when we click on symbol map, we just need at least one geographical data type, and that geographical data type I have taken as a state. Okay, and then the measure what I have taken the measure as the profit. Okay, everyone. So now what I can do, if I click on size, if I click on size, so because you can see this circles and all. So if you before I click on size here, if you notice the circle, the area of the circle is not same for all the diagram. You can see here if I drag the profit under levels. So you can see, right? So the those states which have more profit, they have much more bigger circle as compared to the other states. So you can easily understand by looking at them. So you can click on state, put under levels. So you can now you can see the different states name. Clear everyone. So these are mainly the symbol map you can see with the help of the symbols we try to represent them. So these are mainly symbol map. So the field map, you already know what field map is all about. So with the help of symbols here, the symbols what we are using is the profit. You can use revenue also, means sales also. You can use them and you can understand. These all are self-explanatory. So symbol map and all, you know how to change the background layer, all other neighboring states, countries. You want to make them hidden, you can do that. Go to background layers. It's become very easy for you to do that. Clear everyone? Anyone any doubt? Any question? Here in symbol map, you can see by default we got the circle, right? You can go here in automatic. You can put grand chart, density, pie chart, map, shapes, different kind of shapes. Change the color of this. Now, if I click on map here under marks, I can see the complete map here. And if I click on F7, I can see in presentation mode all these states. If you want to remove those states, I just need to untick all the background features what is mentioned here. You can click on any, you want to do postmortem of any particular state, Kansas. So Kansas was one of the state where the option trading on derivatives started. Kansas Board of Butter and Egg, so one of the exchange for the derivative commodity option exchange, Kansas, then Minnesota, then New Jersey, then some states is there, then Arkansas. So different states are there. You can see them. Okay, you want to see some particular one or two states, you can just press Control and you can select them. You can very easily you can do analysis there. Very clear, everyone. So I hope you are understanding. You go to map and then background layers, remove all the neighboring states and countries which are not relevant for us to study the US states. So this was the session on symbol map. If you have any doubt, anything, please feel to ask as many questions as you can. Thank you everyone. I'll see you all in next class. Bye everyone.